Namaskaram and welcome to the Swayam MOOC series on Telugu language learning. My name is Dr. K. Ramesh and I am your instructor for this session. I am happy to carry on our exploration of the wonderful world of Telugu. In today's session, we will focus on the abilitative forms in Telugu known as Samarthya Roopalu. In Telugu grammar, abilitative forms are used to express the ability or capability of a subject to perform an action. They answer questions like, can I do this? Or was he able to complete the work? Unlike many other verb forms, abilitative forms do not inherently express tense. Their focus is solely on whether an action is possible or not. The basic structure involves an infinitive form of the verb, an auxiliary and a personal suffix. For positive forms, the auxiliary is gala, indicating ability, while for negative forms, the auxiliary is lay, indicating inability. These forms are commonly used in conversation, writing and formal Telugu uses. Present positive abilitative form. In Telugu, the present positive abilitative form is used to express what a subject can do at the present time. This form follows a structured pattern consisting of three main parts: the infinitive or verb base, the ability marker gala, and a personal suffix that agrees with the subject in person, number, gender or respect. The infinitive represents the core meaning of the verb such as cheyya, to do, tina, to eat, or chadava, to read. The infinitive conveys the main action that can be performed. The ability marker gala expresses that the action is possible or that the subject is capable of performing it. The personal suffix changes according to the subject, person, number, gender and respect, and it can also indicate non-human plural subjects. For example, చెయ్యగలను combines చెయ్య plus gala plus nu. It means I can do. తినగలవు combines tina plus gala plus vu. It means you can eat. తినగలడు formed from tina plus gala plus do marks masculine third person singular, which explores that he can eat. తినగలదు combining tina plus gala plus do is used for neutral or feminine third person singular. It means she can eat or it can. తినగలరు formed with tina plus gala plus ru refers to the third person plural or respectful you. It means they can eat or you can eat. తినగలం is formed from tina plus gala plus Here, tina means to eat, which is the verb root. Gala indicates ability, means able to. The ending is a first person plural marker referring to we. Therefore, తినగలం means we can eat. Additionally, the sentences అవి తినగలవు and ఇవి తినగలవు use the abilitative form for non-human plural subjects. Tina means to eat, gala marks ability and vu is the plural suffix. The sentence అవి తినగలవు means they can eat. while ivi tinagalavu means these can eat. Thus, the structure infinitive plus gala plus personal suffix enables Telugu speakers to express its present positive ability clearly and flexibly for both human and non-human subjects, as well as for singular and plural forms. The combination of the infinitive, gala, and the appropriate suffix ensures agreement with the subject and indicates that the action is possible in the present. Next one, present ability negative form. Present inability, expressing that someone cannot do something right now, is formed using a specific grammatical structure. This structure consists of three main parts: the infinitive, the negative ability marker lay, and a personal suffix that agrees with the subject. The infinitive is the core meaning of the verb, such as chaya, to do, tina, to eat, chadava, to read. This part expresses the action. The second element, lay, is the key marker of inability and gives the meaning not able to. For example, చెయ్యలేను, చెయ్య is the verb base which means to do. Lay indicates inability and nu is the suffix for I. So, it means I cannot do. Next one, తినలేవు, tina is to eat. Lay shows inability and wu is the suffix for you, which explores that you cannot eat. Similarly, tinaleru has the suffix ru indicating they or respectful you. The meaning is they cannot eat or you cannot eat. In Telugu, verbs expressing inability and negation follow clear patterns, but they differ depending on whether you mean cannot do. Next one, tinaledu. The root tina means to eat and ledu is a negative auxiliary. It means did not. So the full meaning becomes did not eat. This is different from forms like tinalenu, where lay indicates inability. In rayaledu, raya means to write. Lay shows inability and do is a masculine singular suffix referring to he. So the meaning is he cannot write. Similarly, in chadavalem, chadava to read or to study. Lay indicates inability and is the suffix for we, giving the meaning we cannot read. In Telugu, the present negative abilitative form expresses the inability to perform an action at the present moment. For example, for non-human plural subjects, avi tinalevu, they cannot eat. Tina is the verb base to eat. Lay expresses inability and wu marks the plural subject. Ivi tinalevu, these cannot eat. The rest of the structure functions the same. These sentences clearly show that just like positive forms, negative abilitative forms in Telugu can also apply to non-human plural subjects, indicating what they cannot do at the present moment. The combination of the infinitive, lay, and the appropriate plural suffix ensures proper agreement with the subject and communicates present inability. By replacing the positive ability marker, gala, with the negative marker, lay, while keeping proper subject agreement. Telugu speakers can clearly express that an action is not possible in the present. Thus, this structure clearly expresses that an action is not possible in the present moment. The marker lay plays a crucial role in indicating inability, while the personal suffix ensures agreement with the subject. Next one, past ability positive form. Past positive ability is used to express that a subject was able to do something in the past. This form indicates that the action was not only possible but was successfully performed. The structure consists of four main parts: the infinitive, the abilitative base, galugu, a past tense marker, and a personal suffix. The overall pattern is infinitive plus galugu become galig plus past marker plus personal suffix. The infinitive carries the core meaning of the verb, such as cheppa to tell or unda to stay. The second element, galugu, is the abilitative base that expresses the meaning be able to. When used in the past tense, this form changes to galig before taking past tense endings. The past marker and personal suffix together indicate both tense and the subject, such as he, she, they, etc. For example, చెప్పగలిగాడు, చెప్పా is the verb base to tell, galiga shows past ability, and a plus do is the masculine third person singular suffix. So the meaning is he was able to tell. For example, ఆమె తినగలిగింది. తిన is the verb base, it means to eat. Galig indicates past ability, and im plus the is the feminine third person singular suffix referring to she. So the meaning is she was able to eat. Observe the related sentences. వారు ఉండగలిగారు, it means they were able to stay. అతను రాయగలిగాడు, he was able to write. Inclusivity, మనం కొట్టగలిగాం, we were able to hit. Thus, in this structure, galugu behaves like a regular verb and changes form according to tense. Next one, past ability negative form. In Telugu, the past negative ability is used to express that a subject was not able to do something in the past. This form indicates that the action was impossible or that the subject failed to perform it. The structure consists of three main parts: the infinitive, the negative ablative marker lekapo, and past tense suffixes. The infinitive provides the core meaning of the verb, such as cheppa to tell, unda to stay, tina to eat. The second element, lekapo, is the key marker of negative ability and conveys the meaning could not or was not able to. Next example is చెప్పలేకపోయాడు. చెప్ప is the verb base to tell, లేకపో expresses inability, and adu is the past masculine third person singular suffix. So the meaning is he could not tell. A more complex example is తినకుండా ఉండలేకపోయాడు, where తినకుండా means without eating, unda means to stay, and లేకపోయాడు indicates past inability. The full sentence means he could not remain without eating. Thus, in this structure, Lekapo plays a crucial role in expressing past inability, while he past suffixes clearly indicate the subject and time. Observe the sentences. కొట్టకుండా ఉండలేకపోయారు. They could not stay without hitting or they could not avoid hitting. వెళ్ళకుండా ఉండలేకపోయాం. We could not stay without going or we could not avoid going. తాగకుండా ఉండలేకపోయాయి. They could not stay without drinking or they could not avoid drinking. Future ability positive form. The future positive abilitative form is used to indicate that a subject will be able to do something in the future. This form expresses potential ability or capability that can be performed later. The general pattern is infinitive plus galugu plus future suffix. The infinitive carries the core meaning of the verb such as cheppa to tell, tina to eat. Finally, the future suffix modifies the verb to show that the action will take place in the future. Example is తినగలుగుతారు. They will be able to eat. తినగలుగుతుంది. She will be able to eat. In each case, the marker galugu remains constant to indicate ability, while the suffix changes according to the subject. Thus, this structure clearly expresses future potential ability. The marker galugu shows capability, while the future suffix indicates when the action can occur. Observe the sentences. ఆమె రాగలుగుతుంది. షీ కెన్ కమ్. మనం చదవగలుగుతాం. వీ కెన్ స్టడీ ఆర్ వీ కెన్ రీడ్. అది తినగలుగుతుంది. ఇట్ కెన్ ఈట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఎబిలిటీ నెగటివ్ ఫామ్. ద ఫ్యూచర్ నెగటివ్ ఎబిలిటేటివ్ ఫామ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెసెస్ దట్ ఎ సబ్జెక్ట్ will not be able to do something in the future. This form indicates the inability or impossibility of the action in the upcoming time. The structure is infinitive plus lekapo plus future suffixes. The infinitive provides the core meaning of the action such as cheppa to tell, tina to eat or chadava to read. Example is చెప్పలేకపోతాను. I will not be able to tell. This word is formed by combining three main parts. The first part cheppa is the infinitive or verb base which provides the core meaning of the action, in this case to tell. The second part lekapo is the negative ability marker where leka conveys inability and po works as an auxiliary to indicate a negative action in the future. The third part tanu is the future tense and personal suffix which indefinitely the subject as first person singular I and makes that the action is in the future. When combined, cheppa plus lekapo plus tanu become cheppalekapotanu clearly communicates I will not able to tell. See another example. Cheppalekapoyindi, it means she will not able to tell. And ralekapoyaru, they will not able to come. In each case, lekapo stays constant to indicate inability, while the suffix changes according to person, number and gender This structure provides a clear and consistent way to express future impossibility or lack of ability in the Telugu language. Conditional and hypothetical ability. In Telugu, abilitative forms can express as conditional or hypothetical situations, allowing speakers to indicate possibility, conditions, or concessions. These forms are created by adding specific conditional or relative suffixes to the abilitative base. For positive conditional forms, examples include చెప్పగలిగితే, which means if one is able to tell, where చెప్ప is the verb base, galugu indicates ability, and ite marks the conditional. If. Another positive form, చెప్పగలిగిన, it means who is able to tell, using the suffix ina to form a relative clause. Similarly, చెప్పగలిగిన means though one is able to tell, with ina indicating concession. For negative conditional forms, చెప్పలేకపోతే, it means if one cannot tell, where లేకపో conveys inability and ite adds the conditional meaning. Another negative form, చెప్పలేకపోయినా, it means those who could not tell, using ina to form a relative clause describing past inability. In all these conditional and hypothetical structures, the suffixes ite, ina, ina play a key role in expressing conditions, possibility or concession, while the abilitative base galugu or lekapo indicates ability or inability. By combining the verb base, abilitative marker and conditional suffix, Telugu speakers can create nuanced experiences to discuss what someone can or cannot do under certain conditions. Complex usage, combining actions. Abilitative forms can be combined with other verbs or actions to express as complex or layered abilities, showing whether multiple actions can be performed together. For example, తినకుండా ఉండగలిగాడు, it means he managed to remain without eating. Here, తినకుండా means without eating, indicating one action, and ఉండగలిగాడు is the positive past ability form of to remain, showing that the was able to successfully control both actions together. Conversely, తినకుండా ఉండలేకపోయాడు, it means he could not remain without eating. In this negative form, లేకపోయాడు indicates inability, showing that the subject failed to maintain the condition of remaining without eating. By combining a participle phrase like తినకుండా with an abilitative verb, Telugu allows speakers to convey nuanced situations where one action depends on the ability to perform another, highlighting success, failure, or control over multiple simultaneous actions. This structure demonstrates the flexibility of abilitative forms, allowing the expression of complex interactions, layered actions, and conditional outcomes within a single sentence. Summary of positive and negative forms by tense. Remember once. In simple terms, Telugu abilitative forms can be summarized as present positive, చెయ్యగలను, I can do, negative, చెయ్యలేను, I cannot do, past positive, చెప్పగలిగాడు, he was able to tell, negative, చెప్పలేకపోయాడు, he could not tell. ఫ్యూచర్ పాజిటివ్ చెప్పగలుగుతాను, ఐ విల్ బీ ఏబుల్ టు టెల్. నెగటివ్ చెప్పలేకపోతాను, ఐ విల్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు టెల్. కండిషనల్ పాజిటివ్ చెప్పగలిగితే, ఇఫ్ ఏబుల్ టు టెల్. నెగటివ్ చెప్పలేకపోతే, ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు టెల్. In conclusion, abilitative forms in Telugu known as సామర్థ్య రూపాలు are fundamental grammatical tool for expressing ability, inability, possibility and impossibility. Positive forms use gala and galugu, while negative forms use le and lekapo. Mastering these forms allows learners to convey nuanced meaning across its present, past, future, and conditional contexts. Through practice in conversation, reading, and writing, students can confidently use these forms to communicate ability and inability naturally and accurately in Telugu. A rigorous understanding of Telugu abilitative forms means సామర్థ్య రూపాలు is essential for expressing ability and inability with accuracy, semantic clarity, and stylistic sophistication. These structures play a significant role in Telugu language pedagogy, computational linguistics, and comparative Dravidian studies. Continued engagement with these forms will deepen learners' insight into Telugu grammar, enrich lexical competence, and strengthen communicative proficiency. Your dedication to this learning process is acknowledged and appreciated. I look forward to our continued academic engagement in this session ahead. Thank you.